Hi everyone, thank you for viewing my course on Introduction to Flink. My name is Sridhar. I have 20 years experience developing software solutions at all scales. I have a lot of expertise in AI-driven big data solutions development. I'm a published author and a speaker. Currently, I serve as the co-founder and CTO of BlueWhale.one, which specializes in providing AI-driven big data solutions to various organizations. The course overview. In section 1, we will look at Flink architecture, big data in general, and the installation of Apache Flink. We will look at Apache Flink in general, the various things that you need to understand about what kind of applications you can build in Apache Flink, what are the architectural components of Apache Flink. Then we will proceed on to installing Apache Flink, running it, and then just exploring it in terms of what it can do for us. Section 2, we will look at the use cases, common use cases, the type of programming models that Apache Flink provides, as well as explore the UI itself to see how Apache Flink, the UI, which is called the cluster UI, will help you understand what's going on and how you can run jobs and monitor the jobs. Section 3, we will look at data sets, loading data, transformations. We will look at how to use the shell and run code for Apache Flink, loading text files or other types of data files, exploring, performing some transformations and checking out the results, truly performing a lot of the operations like partitioning of the data, the maps, flat map, and so on. Section 4, we will look at more advanced operations like groupings, reduce, and joins. We will look at more advanced transformations, groupings, reduce, and joins of data sets. We will look at the shell again, and we will run active code, which is all live hands-on exercises for you to get familiar with different things that you can do once you get the data in as a data set. In section 4, we will also look at the join operations, all types of different joins that you can perform across data sets. Again, we will execute code in the shell and we'll check how each operation or each type of join is working on, like inner joins, outer joins, left outer, right outer, cross joins, left hand T, etc. Then we'll move on to section 5, where we'll enter data streams for streaming applications. In section 5, we will look at streaming applications, how streaming applications work. We'll execute code to see how we can perform some streaming applications. This is a simple example of word count, and we'll explore all the different things that you can do in streaming, such as taking the stream in, doing some operations on it, like transformations, for example. We'll continue on to looking at various other advanced operations, such as looking at time windows, count windows. Then in section 6, we will look at more of the data stream operations, the types of advanced APIs that you can use. And again, we'll go through hands-on examples here, trying to understand what is the time characteristic, what are the other advanced operations that Flink supports. The prerequisites are that you're familiar with how to open shells or terminals to run the commands. It would be nice to have some basic idea of Scala programming language for you to quickly ramp up speed of coding. Any ideas on distributed computing is good. Nice to have some idea of Hadoop. It's not mandatory, but I think it will help you to quickly understand how the data is coming in a distributed manner and how you are performing some operations at a distributed scale. Goals of this course. One of the goals is to start or enhance your career as a big data developer using Apache Flink. So even if you're familiar with some other big data technologies, Apache Flink is a very, very nice add-on, especially given the fact that it is coming up very quickly in the big data technology space, competing head-on with Apache Spark, for example. The course will provide you a comprehensive introduction to Flink as a platform. It'll cover both batch and streaming APIs. Pretty much all the important APIs have been covered with hands-on coding examples. So this will help you rapidly pick up coding skills on Apache Flink. So let's get started.